A happy hi everyone. Name lists of kitchen utensils. Some of those you might already know, and we need to cover all the kitchen utensils. So let's begin. Cutting board, rolling pin, tongs, fry pan or frying pan, cooker, toaster, teapot, blender, mixer is different, grater, peeler, strainer, kettle, spatula, whisk, ladle, funnel, can opener, measuring cup, cutlery, spoon, fork, and knife together. These are called as cutlery. Cleaver, cup and saucer, plate or dish, sifter, griddle, masher, wok, lid, colander, canister set, and one piece called canister, pastry board or rolling board, churner, skimmers can be different kinds, bowls, apron, oven gloves, tea strainer, saucepan, squeezer, and chopstick. Hope you liked the video. For more video as this, please do subscribe and click the bell icon. Thank you.